Hello and welcome Dr. Parag Sancheti to the Advisory Committee of Pune Times Mirror. I'm Prince Chowdhury. It's an honor and a privilege to have you with us today. Dr. Sancheti is the Chairman and Managing Director of Sancheti Hospital and one of the leading orthopedic surgeons in India. We are thrilled to have you here. Let's get started. Dr. Sancheti, you specialize in sports medicine, arthroscopy, and joint replacement surgery. You are renowned for your historic approach to healthcare, and you are particularly dedicated to providing sports medicine services to athletes. You have also earned numerous awards and accolades throughout your career. One of your pioneering achievements is the introduction of medical tourism, offering orthopedic services to international patients. Additionally, you have made significant contributions by organizing free diagnostic and surgical camps for underprivileged communities. Could you share with us your personal journey? What were the challenges you faced and how did you overcome them?
Yes, first of all, thank you so much for this opportunity. I'm obliged and I feel honored to be a part of the advisory committee for Pune Times Mirror, and I look forward to serving on it. So the question what you asked is, what has been my journey so far? So I'm born in Pune, brought up in Pune, a hardcore Puneite, studied in Loyola High School, then went to BJ Medical College for my medical school. And after that, started my practice after doing fellowships in UK, Germany and USA. So when I started my practice, I started with doing trauma, then very quickly moved on to arthroplasty, that is joint replacement, arthroscopy, which is all related to sports medicine, and doing pelviacetabular fractures, which are one of the complex fractures. So I did that for about 7-8 years. And then what we realized is that we need to move on. This is, of course, something good. And then there was a big need of health tourism. So that health tourism is something which I really took it up, and I was one of the pioneers in Pune to introduce health tourism. What is health tourism is we get patients from foreign countries and they come to Pune, they get operated in Sancheti Hospital and then they go back and we go to that particular country for the post-operative checkup. So the patient has to come only once. And so we have ties with Oman, Yemen, in Dubai, also in East African countries like Kenya, Uganda, Tanzania, also in West African countries like Nigeria, and of course in Sri Lanka, Nepal and Bangladesh. So we get patients from all these countries where we have official tie-ups. They come, they get operated, and then we do the follow-up in that countries.
Do we also get international patients from Europe and the United States?
Well, there was a time when we did get some patients from South America or from UK, because in UK they have the NHS, the National Health Scheme, which has a huge waiting time. So people found it better to come to India and get operated and go back. And sometimes from South America because they were the uninsured patients. And then it was a huge cost to do it privately. So to fly to Pune to get the surgery done and go back was proving cheaper than getting surgery done privately in South America.
Now, as a part of the advisory committee for Pune Times Mirror, how does it feel to be involved in this dynamic platform?
I think I feel very privileged, number one. And media today is very, very strong. You know that better than me. And I feel if one has to make himself heard, if somebody has to, listen to my ideas, I think the print media and the social media are the best. And Pune Times Mirror has been there for so many years in Pune and has a very nice reputation in terms of the readage and the coverage people have. So I think by being on this, I can contribute in many ways. I'm a doctor myself. I want to do more of philanthropic work, social work in the future to get momentum for that or to share my ideas. I think this will be a great platform. In addition, I think Pune is one city, if I just want to say, compare and give you an example, Bangalore, Pune and Hyderabad. I think Pune was really a great city compared to these three cities 15 years ago. But today, see where Bangalore has gone and Hyderabad has gone. I have no hesitation. They are better in terms of many things than Pune. So Pune, I think we need to really catch up and be one of the best cities to be in. It used to be considered as a retirement paradise, but nowadays people are not coming to Pune and shying away. So if I'm given an opportunity, I can contribute in many ways through this advisory board and write a few columns for Pune Times Mirror or whatever the committee and the director, Sharma ji, aap jo theek lagta hai, I will be definitely happy to contribute.
So, if you contribute these things to the while you're on the advisory committee, do you think this will help us ramp up the healthcare services in Pune as
yes.
compared to Bangalore and Hyderabad?
Oh yes. Pune, if you see, has got some of the best hospitals, and today all kind of major surgeries, including robotic joint replacement, all the complex trauma cases, arthroscopy is happening in the orthopedic fraternity. But also, if you see, liver transplants, kidney transplants are being done. There are high-end eye surgeries which are being done. There are cosmetic surgeries which are being done. People are doing bone marrow transplants. So I don't think there is any surgery which is not being done in Pune. But sometimes people still want to go to Mumbai or overseas to Mayo Clinic, Cleveland Clinic. But I think definitely we can ramp up the image of Pune in terms of healthcare because it has the best of doctors and best of hospitals.
Dr. Sancheti, as an influential member of this committee, what changes or improvements would you suggest to enhance the perspective of our readers and viewers in terms of the image of Pune Times Mirror?
See, to be very honest with you and a little candid, but what I would say is, of course, sometimes that's important. People enjoy to read it. But to promote somebody who's done a great job, somebody who's got a good award, somebody who's done for the Pune city. There are so many philanthropists, there are so many social workers, there are so many great initiatives the NGOs are taking. So, people are getting awards recognized nationally, internationally. If that also can be, focused, and in terms of what are the positive energy elements which can be channelized through Pune Mirror, I think that would be one change I would like to suggest. It's a nice paper, but even when you get these elements in, it will be even a better paper. And like I practice holistic medicine. So this should be a holistic paper.
Right. So basically what, Doctor, you're trying to suggest is that the iconic people of Pune should be recognized.
Should be given a proper coverage through Pune Times Mirror.
Lastly, Dr. Sancheti, what message would you like to convey to the readers of Pune Times Mirror?
The message I would like to convey is Pune is a great city. It has a great history since Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. I think we've got to preserve our glory. We've got to make Pune proud. And I think it's through papers like Pune Times Mirror, which we can do it very easily nationally and also through their reach to the social media internationally. I think its time has come now to project Pune not only as a IT city, but also as a healthcare city, as a media city, and overall as a holistic city where people come and get what they want.
So we were in conversation with Dr. Parag Sancheti, who is the chairman and managing director of Sancheti Hospital and is now part of the advisory committee of Pune Times Mirror.